most welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing some oat porridge. So I'll be showing you how we make oat porridge. It's so delicious, it's so easy to make. Actually, it's made in very many ways, and this is one of the best ways you can ever make oat porridge. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. So let's dive into our video. Well, for our ingredients, we shall be using oats. As you can see, these are jumbo oats. It's what we shall be using. And then we have some halim seeds. We have some fenugreek. And then we have rose water. So this is for aroma. Rose water and oats is something else. Then we shall add some salt and sugar. Well, I'll be using this amount of halim seed. So I'll add in the halim seeds, and then I'll add in the fenugreek seeds. I think you've seen fenugreek seeds before. So I'll add in that amount, and then cover. So as the water is boiling, I'll go ahead and add in oats. So I'll be roughly using about a cup of oats, a nice cup. Mix it with some water. So at this stage, I'll add in the oats. I'll then go in with a pinch of salt. Salt helps to balance the taste of the oats. So if you don't add salt, it doesn't really taste that nice. So that's the exact thickness of the oats I want. Now I'll add in a cup of milk. My measurements are based on a nice cup. And then I'll go in with some sugar. You can skip sugar if you don't like sugar, and use either honey or any syrup. And then finally, rose water. So rose water gives our oats a very nice aroma. That if you start taking oats with rose water, it's hard to take one that has no rose water. So I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of rose water. And then I'll cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And done. And just like that, our oat porridge is ready. Well, just look at that. And now, welcome to the world of healthy foods. Oats are very healthy because they are not processed and they're just cooked in a very easy way. and the seeds we add in them are also very healthy to our bodies. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.